He looks kind of small next to you. Don't get ahead of his head. Want to stay right between his head and his... Yeah. Get closer to the rail. There you go. Keep him going. Don't look at him. Look forward. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't look at him. Don't get ahead of him. You want to stay right with him. Don't look at him. Just look forward. There you go.